Okay, in this video, we're gonna look about and designing an inverter layout using Magic tool. So just type Magic, and you have the window open here. Go to Options, Tech Manager, choose SCMOS as your technology, and press G so that you have grid open. And here, left click of the mouse is used for moving the cursor, and right click is for selection, and you select anvil, and inside anvil you have P diffusion layer, and corresponding to P diffusion you have N diffusion layer, N diffusion layer. It's more width, okay. And you need a gate, so you do one thing, you do connect this way to polysilicon. There you need this extended until here, okay. And you need VDD and ground, so choose here as metal one. This is for VDD. For ground, you take ground. You need to connect this to the need to have connection between source and ground of NMOS, okay. And you need to connect the drain of both transistors, so you need again a metal layer, okay. And you need to have contacts, metal contacts, so this is P diffusion, so you have PD contact. Here also you need to have PD contact, and here you need to have ND contact. Also you need to have ND contact, and you need to have metal contact, so here you have anvil, so you need to have N substrate contact. Here you have P well, so by default this is P well, this full layout, so you need to have P substrate contact, and you need to extend, okay. So our layout is almost finished. Layout is almost finished, then we need to just give labels. So place the cursor here almost right, and this is VDD, so choose this one, type lab VDD, okay. VDD comes, and place the cursor here, and you type label out, label out, and you need to have something like label input, label in, so you give input here, then you need to have label at ground, so you type label dnd, no, sorry, label dnd, so you have a ground here. So almost our design is complete. You have output, you have input, you have VDD, you have ground, you have NMOS layer, you have PMOS. By default, this is P well. You have a N well. You have a P diffusion layer inside the N well. You have a N diffusion layer. You have a gate. Okay. So next you need to save this. So go to and layouts. Name this as inverter. Just click save and just open this. Type here extract all. Okay, then we're gonna simulate or we're gonna check this design is correct you through simulation. So we have here two tools. First one is IRSim, which is a switch level circuit switch level simulator, and second one we use Spice. You can use any Spice. I'm using here NG Spice. Okay, so for that you need to create extraction to sim a sim file and extraction to spice a spice file. Okay, then close this. Go to the folder where you have chosen. See, you have an extraction file, you have a magic file, that is our layout, you have a sim file, and you have a spice file. So